All right, again, here we are doing the travertine. As you can see, we pulled the tape yesterday because it's so thin. It's important to do that, but we're going to take the rubbing stone again and just knock off any high spots or burrs. Just very lightly, and then again, we just want to make sure it's dust free. This one's really easy to color. What we're going to accomplish is we want to get a layer of water that's standing on the surface. Now, on a sample, we've got to be careful not to soak it too much because it is on a piece of wood, and if the wood was to swell, then it's going to push the material off of the board, obviously. With concrete, we really don't care. Once it's dried, it can go ahead and get as wet as we want, but on a project outside, you could use a garden hose to get the standing water on there. Inside, you can use a pump can, whatever. I'm just going to wet this up here. You can see it's very porous. It'll absorb in at first, and then we'll put another coat on in just a second because we're looking for standing water. I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit of that on there and get my spray bottles ready. Okay, so now we're going to get some standing water on there. And once we've got water on there like that, we're going to take our spray bottle and just kind of lightly drizzle some color into the texture. We're going to let that dry for a minute, and then we're going to do the same thing. This is a caramel dispersion color straight out of the bottle. We're putting 2 caps in 24 ounces. The next one is going to be mortar gray, and it's also 2 caps for 24 ounces of water. We're going to do exactly the same thing, drizzle it on top like that, which is the same thing you do on a job. I use this to color the job. You can see it wouldn't take very long to do it. However, you know, that you'd want standing water put on some other way. It would take too long with a sponge. So we're going to get that on there. Come in and like that, and then we're just going to take a little bit of this, and we're going to soak some of the black in there just to give us a little bit of an accent color like that. And then if you wanted any more of the caramel, you could do that right now. We'll let that sit and dry up for a few minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and seal it.